Alright, hello from Daniaparken's Badplats in Malmö. It is 11th of May, and you know what day that is this year? It's the Eurovision Song Contest final, of course, tonight. It's happening. And I'm actually going to the dress rehearsal that's in 3 hours, so I need to hurry up to get there. But before that, I really need to do the beach adventure for today. And this is the third beach adventure, as it's my third day here. And this is quite central beach here in Malmö. It's located right next to the landmark of Malmö, the turning torso. That's high 190 meters. And it's located in the beautiful part of the city called Västra Hamnen, with beautiful modern architecture. And there are 3 different jetties over here at this beach, Daniaparken, and the beach is overlooking to Denmark actually. Maybe that's why the name of the beach. You can see the Öresund bridge in the background, and I can see also the beach I visited yesterday, Badet. That's the most central and the best beach probably. But yeah, sunny day today. Currently it is 13 degrees Celsius and sunny, and in the sea is 8.7 degrees based on the satellite measurement that I read online. So excited for the Eurovision final tonight, and also the dress rehearsal that I'm attending in 3 hours. So let's then speed up. And yeah, these are my new sunglasses that I bought from here, from the Sinsam outlet for 100 crowns. Very cheap, if you ask me. Yeah, that's the tower, and that's the beautiful jetty. I love the shape that it's round, and it looks like fairly newly renovated as well. And you can also basically jump here, I think, but I don't know, the water seems a bit too cold, so I'm gonna just dive in and enjoy a bit in the water. Off the hat, off the sunglasses, with this beautiful view, it's time to take a swim in the sea in Malmö on this 11th of May, Eurovision final day. Brilliant. Amazing. All right, are we ready for this today's beach adventure? And it's beach to number 32. Yes. If I made it all the way from the end of March in Stockholm when the water temperature was 0 degrees, now it is very warm, 8.7. I mean very warm, or decent, I would say. All right. Then, are you ready? Off we go! Woo. Amazing. It's brilliant. I love it. Beautiful. Okay, I got some water in my... I swallowed some water, but it's salty and nice. And yes, Malmö is fantastic. This is my third day over here, and I'm staying for one more day. I have tomorrow a full day for beach adventures, as Eurovision is ending tonight. So I'm gonna be exploring a bit more tomorrow. And let's see if I'm gonna end up also on the other side of the Öresund bridge, which is Denmark. So yeah, alright. And then with the view of the turning torso from the beach, I'm gonna go with a wrap from this Daniaparken's Badplats for today. Thank you so much, hope you enjoyed this one of the few central beaches in Malmö, Sweden, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Green.